Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create this book and appointment section. We're going to have some text on the left side and a form on the right side. This form is going to have two input fields, one for the name and one for the email, and a button to submit the form. And I'm going to show you how to create this outlined input field. So let's get started. Okay, so now we're going to create an appointment form. In this, we're going to add two fields. One is going to be the email field. The other one is for the name. The third thing will be a button to submit the form. But first, let's turn on the grid. Select your frame. Go to the right side. Click the eye icon. I will put the form on the right side. And the text will be on the left. So first, I'm going to create a shape. I am going to round the corners. Let's make this 20. And then I'm going to change the color. This looks good. Now, I'm going to add a title. Select the T. Drag to create a text box. And then just write whatever your title is going to be. Next, I'm going to change the style for text. I'm going to increase the font size. Next, I'm going to align it. I'm going to make it bold. Now, I'm going to take the paragraph from our about section. To do that, I'm going to click it, I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste. Now, I forgot to put the paragraph text box inside the About Us group. So I'm going to just do that. You just click it, drag and drop it in. That's it. Now, we're going to drag and drop our paragraph. So, first select the paragraph text box, then just drag it in. Align it according to our grid and just decrease the width, and I'm gonna remove some of the extra text. Let me just align this according to the grid. Next, I'm gonna create the form. I'm gonna add two input fields and a button. Now, since we already have a button, I'm just gonna quickly drag before I release. I'm gonna press Alt and release, duplicating it. And then I'm gonna drag it in to our appointment form area. Now I'm gonna change the style of this button. I'm gonna change the text color to be the same color as the background. Next, I'm gonna change the background color of the button. And I'm gonna make it a lighter color to give it a good style. Okay, that looks nice. Now I need two input fields. I'm gonna quickly make them by duplicating this button. For that, just click, drag, and before release, press the Alt key and then release. And just repeat that. Now I'm gonna align them. Now, I don't want to mess with the alignment of the input field below, so I'm going to lessen the distance by selecting both of the fields and then using the option on the right side. Next, I'm going to change the style of these buttons to make them look like input fields, so let's increase the width. To do that for both elements, just select both of them and then drag them. Next, I'm going to change the style. So select one of them. I'm going to make the style look like an outline input field. To do that, change the text color to the background and the background color to the background color of our appointment element. And then just change the stroke color to the same color as the text. Also, let's increase the thickness of the stroke. Next, I'm going to change the text for the input fields. To do that, click the T and then click on the text you want to change. For the first field, I'm going to add full name. And for the next field, I'm going to add email. Next, I'm going to mess around with everything so that it looks good. Okay, so we are done with our appointment section. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.